We're just leaving Denham, where we saw the dolphins, and this is our lavish 3-day treat room. That's the outside area. The pool is actually a baby bath. And then we have this little space for nothing to do in. A lavish bathroom, the useless loop, nothing room. A bedroom for children, a laundry without a washing machine, a bed, and another bed and a cupboard. Big deal. And we're ready to go to Kalbarri National Park on the way to Geraldton. Gap in between. There's a group on the left and there's a group on the right. That's what you call
sharks swimming off Eagle
Bluff.
Eagle Bluff near Denham.
27.
They don't look very big in this, but when you look at them through the binoculars to see them close up, they are quite reasonable size, probably most.
And if we went in the water, they'd all attack the same body.
That would be Sherrie's.
We're going from Denham to Kalbarri National Park. We're coming to the Murchison River. Now we're turning off into the Kalbarri Reserve. We're just going to have some lunch here. There's the Murchison River. Brown. It's nice there with the... Here's the Murchison River and the new bridge. We're walking down to the Murchison Lookout. The Ross Graham Lookout. This is the lookout. Injured traveller. I've just been to the Ross Graham Lookout. He was a teacher who showed an interest in the natural environment. Let's get a picture of the pretty pink flowers there. Beautiful. Cliff on the left. River down the middle. And black swans. We have 2 black swans sitting down there. 2 black swans. 2 black swans. No crocodiles. We're on the way to Nature's Lookout. There are some yakas, Xanorthia forgotten, and some banksias and a dirt road, as you can hear. We're just walking down the cliff to a rock. There's the Murchison River curling around. And down here, I've only got thongs on today. I didn't bring my coffin. I have to be very careful. There's the river, all green and slimy. Very nice. Okay, come with me. Watch where you're walking. Oh, I can see the arrow, so we'll follow the arrow.
Just turn the camera off.
Alright, I'll put the camera off because it's tricky.
And this is Sherrie sitting terrified in the window on the world, which, if you look at the thing underneath, it's hollow underneath us, I think. So
No, over there
any minute she could drop down into the pits of the,
Murchison
Murchison River.
This is the Murchison River through the Nature's Window. This is Nature's Window. There's this, like a tributary, I suppose. And there's another, winds around. Alright.